I had a great day at the park last weekend. The weather was sunny, and the sky was blue. I went to the park with my family, and it was so much fun. First, we played on the swings. I love the feeling of going up and down in the air. It's like flying. Then, we went to the slide. Sliding down was thrilling, and I giggled all the way. There's a big green field in the park. We ran around and played catch. I even saw some cute ducks swimming in the pond. They quacked and waddled around. It made me smile. We had a picnic too. I had a sandwich and some fruit. And you can't forget the ice cream. It was a yummy treat on a warm day. We sat on a blanket, enjoying our food in the sunshine. I also made a new friend at the park. We played together on the jungle gym. It was nice to meet someone new and have even more fun. By the time we left the park, I was tired but happy. I can't wait to go back to the park for another fun day.